Hey busy moms! Here's a fast and effective pumping routine you can do anytime. First, wash your hands and assemble your pump quickly. Sit upright with good back support. Place the breast shield so it fits snugly and comfortably. Start with low suction and slowly increase. Pump each breast for about 10 to 15 minutes or until milk flow slows. Pour milk into labeled containers and clean the pump parts immediately. Even if your day is packed, you can maintain your milk supply with just a few focused minutes of pumping. Quick, safe, and stress-free.